The heart.
It's the heart. Usually they're still beating.
It is still beating. Watch this.
Oh my God.
Look at it still beating.
Want to go Native American?
Like a quivering drill.
Oh.
No. Always gives you the spirit of the animal.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Anybody else?
The greatest sound on earth.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Oh, geez, look at
Look at them blowing up out there.
5 of them. Captain Jim knows how to get on fish.
That's right. That fucker crashed the shit out of me.
Yeah, seriously.
That was awesome.
Yeah, the problem with these things, they have so much red muscle. It's like no effort for them to just pump their tail.
Right.
It's like
Give you full resistance.
We're in 160, 170 feet of water.
Wow, that goes deep fast,
Take
doesn't it?
advantage of that.
Oh, first cast.
Unbelievable.
I spotted those at school. I just knew it wasn't. Man, they're out there too. He's blowing them.
Don't give up. Keep pumping them in.
Yes. That's a big freaking fish.
Come on.
There he is.
Yeah, look out when you get
There, now that's what I was waiting for.
This is a struggle. This is a battle right now. I thought
Coming, maybe a little right, All right, good. Run away from us now. Maybe a little left.
Just keep going for a while.
Steve Jordan.
It's called skills. It's called
Cast.
skills.
That's how Junkfish does it, man.
Look at
Junkfish.
the
That's how Junkfish does it.
look at the pythons.
This is what we do. This is what we
He's coming a little closer.
Yeah, got a little bit.
All that work is gone.
Oh, look at he's giving me a big fuck you right now. Woo! Actually, no. You think you have me? Oh, look at him go.
Oh, beautiful.
Good shot.
Pansy.
Bring it in, boy.
What about your hands hurting?
That's right. Come
Back
on.
hurting.
Don't stop. Keep it up. You gotta break his will. He's trying to break yours right now. God, you just took back a lot of line.
What was that? Not that close. I was waiting for it on cue.
When he got next to the boat, it loosened, he opened his mouth, woof!
2 hours lost.
2 hours. I'll tell you, man, I never saw a more depressed motherfucker.
Yeah, no, that is so bad.
Well, if I lose this one, you're gonna see something.
Man against animal. All those hours in the gym have finally paid off. This is it.
It's just going right after the motor.
Yeah, right?
My back is just toast. I feel shaky.
This only happens on P-Town charters. Nice.
Bitch.
Yeah. Wow. It's a big fish.
Look at that.
The cool thing about bluefin tuna and all tunas is that they're built for speed, right?
Yeah.
Anywhere that there's a fin, they've got an indentation. It's recessed so that it lays perfectly flush.
Wow.
Speed is stability for these guys. At slow speeds, they're pretty much useless. They can't go slow. They're designed, evolution made them go fast.
Now,
That's why they're so damn hard to bring in.
pull it right off. I'm gonna need help. see it? Grab it.
Somebody take this.
Hold me.
Please.
Recording.
Yeah!
Yeah, baby! Unbelievable.
Yes!
Look at that thing.
That, my friend,
First cast.
is bluefin tuna.
Yes!
Laddie.
Well done.
Full
Well
on,
done.
full on back spasms.
Oh yeah.
I had nothing left in my arms.
Thank God you're the one.
Nothing
that
left in
did
my
that.
legs. I almost passed it off.
That's
This in
fucking
the,
beast, dude. I'm talking here!
There you go.
Does it stay where it was? That's good.
Whoa, look at that fish.
Close to 100 pounds.
Whoa!
That's the heart.
It's the heart.
Wow.
Usually they're still beat.
It is still beating. Watch this.
Oh my God.
Look at it still beating.
Want to go Native
It's like
American?
a quivering drill.
Oh!
It always gives
Really?
you the spirit of the animal.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Anybody else?
Yeah, you gotta do it.
You boys are all right.
Do you see that? Do you see how much it's moving?
Yeah, but just
You can
eat
feel
it.
you can feel it.
You're eating a beating heart right now.
That's really intense.
Oh yeah, it's really still beating.
Yeah, feel it. No,
Oh!
just do this. Hold it. It feels like
I
you're
know, I
seeing
can
me.
feel it. It's really, really nasty.
How often can you say that you've eaten the heart of an animal you just killed?
Want some? It's beat.
Native
Feel it.
Americans, man, did it
Yeah,
every
feel it. Hold it in your palm. You can feel it.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my lord.
Got a pretty nasty taste to it, doesn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
Wow, that is China style, man. That is not.
Finger licking good.
Kind of gets stuck in your throat there for a second.
That's how Junkfish does it. Little raw tuna. It's better than the beating heart we ate on the boat. But maybe a little wasabi and soy and we'll be in good shape.
That's a Japanese tourist pay $75,000 to do this. This is like a once in a lifetime experience.
What do you think, Captain?
I can't believe I get paid to do this.
Yeah, you love it. Like, primal.